What it do, family? Man, it been raining all day yesterday. Looks like it's gonna rain all day today. It's gonna be hella rainy in the DMV today. I'm telling you. From here on up to Philly, man, it's gonna be pouring all day, yo. Goddamn crows is out. Crows is a sign of dead, something dead. You see this one there? There's one way over there. You already gotta watch the crows, family.
I'll be what you
Watch it. They definitely about death, yo. You gotta watch the crows. So either something died or drowned or shit, you never know. It be places like this that be hella peaceful looking, and motherfuckers be getting murdered. Y'all don't be knowing that shit. But they don't teach you that shit. They teach you that the city, the suburbs. That look like that's a rabbit sitting right there on that little hill. Yeah, that's his little fur. But yeah. Places like this, man, they be having hella murder out here, yo. You don't know, man. These Indians, they move out here, they be killing their wives and shit, stuff them in the motherfucking the neighborhood garbage can or like some shit like this. I don't know how they get the keys to that shit, but yeah. There be shit like that going on out here. People don't want to be honest. I'm gonna just tell y'all, man, there's always mysteries and secrets and jealousy and peons and this hater motherfuckers wherever you live. That's why everything is like the soap. It made me think when I was a kid, like they used to have the soaps on all the time. And when we were little kids, like the newest soaps, they always programmed them shits during the summer when the kids was home. And, you know, your mama, you know, and if you had a daddy too, like, you know, some of us who had daddies, you know, he was at work a lot. And your mama was at work too. So, you sitting up there, maybe your older sister or your older brother, they done learned this shit from your aunts and shit. You know, they watch a fucking story. They call it the stories. Not the soaps, they called it the stories. Word up. Yeah, so a lot of that crazy stuff has, what I should say, like, it's taken itself and transmogrified itself into like regular everyday life. Like this is normal for your days of life to be filled with drama and trauma and stress. When in reality, your day should be like this. Quiet, peaceful, it's raining. You should have a day for a time of reflection, you know? Not a whole bunch of drama, you know, a lot of sass and all this nut shit that we find ourselves involved with nowadays, you know? I would like to say your day should be tranquil, especially on the seventh day. You should always make that a day of peace and tranquility for yourself. Hell, what do I know? I'm just saying. I think as we are humans, we need to take time off from all the crazy things that give us unnecessary stress. You know? So that's what I think. Yeah, that's just my opinion. You know? But yeah. You see this? This is called a sneaker killer right here. You see this? Fucking roots. That'll destroy anybody, your best sneakers. If you're walking anywhere, you don't want to wear your good kicks around something like this. This is a sneaker killer. Kelly. But I chose to wear my, you see what I'm saying? They can handle this. They can handle this. Ain't nothing but a short walk. I wanted to get out and see if the stream right there was overflowing with water, but it wasn't. It was good. Yeah, rainy day walking in the DMV. It wasn't even that bad. But you can see like how this how you know this is like a stream or something at one time before. See how the water accumulates and follows the path. See? I would suggest a lot of people when you buy property, take a good walk around it. Take a look and just see where that water be flowing. Because you can clearly see this, the way it is and it rises up like that, that's probably was a creek bed there. You can pretty much tell. Yep. Catch y'all on the flip side. We out here.